Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needle. This day I am here with a beautiful convertible crochet which is named as Nautical Wheel Hexagon. This nautical wheel hexagon can be converted into square too. We need to take that many number of stitches here. And here I have taken 18 trebles in the center, so I have converted into a hexagon. If I take 12, it can be converted into a square as well. This motif can be used for any project of your liking. It can be used for totes, it can be used for your dresses, it will make great pieces when you do the freehand crocheting and joining, and it will also enhance as great pattern for your skirts. So you can make multiple of such motifs and join them together to form any project that you like. So let's go into the video without much delay friends. I will begin from the center magic circle. Make a magic ring and secure it. You need to make a treble in the beginning, so pull up the loop to a little height. This is one way. Otherwise, make a single crochet and a stacked single crochet again 3 times. This will be little thick but doesn't matter, it will give a neater look. And then chain 2, treble, chain 2, treble 17 times if you want to make hexagon. So chain 2, treble. Totally we need to have 18 trebles and 18 chain 2 spaces. Continue this stitch repeat in the magic ring. I shall also complete and get back to you. I have come to the end of this round here. Now I am going to chain 1, and instead of slip stitching I am going to make a single crochet in the very first stitch here, so that I am able to bring the stitch to the center of this space. Having come here, we need to make 3 DC cluster under every chain 2 space separated by 3 chains. So to begin with, let me make a incomplete first double. This is incomplete, I have not completed it. So 2 more, yarn over, yeah, it's gone behind, yeah, and 1 more. This is 3 DC cluster, chain 3 DC cluster and the next chain 2 space. Sorry, I skipped one. Chain 3. So continue placing 3 DC cluster in every chain 2 space separated by 3 chains. So I shall meet you where I began here. So I've come to the end of this round here. So here I need my stitch to come back here. I'm not going to slip stitch and go over to this place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly make a double crochet into that very first cluster and join. Having come here, slip stitch here. Now we are going to work half double crochets. So pull up the loop to a little height and make the first half double crochet, 1 more half double crochet. We are going to place 5 half double crochets, so make the third one, the middle one, and chain 3 and make a half double crochet in the half double crochet just made. So this is the picot we are going to use here. Half double crochet and slip stitch. So this is the picot we are going to make here. Okay, and it's just making of the half double crochet. Chain 3, half double crochet here. So this is the picot we are making. Then place 2 more half double crochets. So in every chain 3 space, we are going to make 2 half double crochet, third half double crochet, picot, 2 half double crochet, again 2 half double crochet, third half double crochet, picot and 2 half double crochet. Picot here is done with 3 chains and a half double crochet in the third half double crochet we have just made. That is how we make the stitch here. Okay, so continue the stitch pattern all around. So I'll demonstrate it once more. It should not go over to that side. Make this stitch a little tighter. Yeah, and the next again 2 half double crochets. Make the third half double crochet, chain 3 and place a half double crochet in this half double crochet. And 2 more half double crochets in the same space. This is how we make the flower on each of the chain 3 spaces. Continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began. Come to the end of this round here. So I have 18 petals made. Now slip stitch and join to the first half double crochet. You can do the invisible join and fasten off here. Once you fasten off, I will be back with the second color and I'll let you know how to join and go about the next round. Slip stitch and join color with this right side facing, slip stitch and join color B between the 2 petals. Secure it. Now you can make a double crochet in the same place. I'm not starting in the corners, I'm starting somewhere in the middle. It's not going to make any difference for us. It will not affect our pattern. So the next we let us make a corner. So we chain 3 and in the next, to make the corner between the last HDC of this petal and the first HDC of the next petal, make 3 trebles. So everything is in US terms, so 3 trebles means yarn over twice and make a treble. Chain 3, 3 more trebles in the same space. So chain 3 again. Between the next 2 petals, make 2 doubles. Chain 3. Between the next 2 petals, 2 doubles. Chain 3. Again we need to make a corner here between the next 2 petals. So continue this pattern. Corner, chain 3, 2 doubles between the first 2 petals, then again chain 3, 2 doubles between the next 2 petals, and then again the corner. Continue this stitch pattern all around. I shall also complete and get back to you when I reach this particular point. I've come to the end of this round here. Now chain 3 and slip stitch and join to the very first DC here. No need to fasten off here. Instead you can, when you slip stitch and join, you take this from behind. The DC is here, top of the DC. Pull up and join the new yarn, that is color A, into this loop and tighten this. Pull it. So this will get tightened. Now this round, it's going to be a single crochet round. Chain 1, this chain 1 is not counted. Make a single crochet on the very first DC here. Oh God. It's very slippery. Let me set this right and get back to you. I have picked up the new yarn in the loop here. Now on the very first stitch here, make a single crochet. Let this yarn go behind. One single crochet in the very next stitch, it will hide. And in the chain space, 3 chain space, 3 single crochets. One single crochet each on each of the trebles. Two single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet under this corner chain space. Chain 1, 2 single crochets. Now this treble stitch will be here, it will seem to hide, so you need to pick that up and make a single crochet there. Sometimes, let me explain, by placing 3 single crochets under this chain 3 space, it might seem to curl. Then you can place 2 and go ahead. It's all trial and error method. Now at this particular point it is not curling. If it seems to curl, then we can place only 2 single crochets under the chain 3 space. This single crochets straighten up the edges, and then ultimately in the last round I'm going to place my slip stitch round, so that will give a very neat finish. So let me complete the single crochets all around. That is single crochet on each of the stitches, 3 single crochets under the chain spaces on the sides, and 1 each single crochet on the trebles, and 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the corner. So this is the stitch pattern all around. Repeat on all the other 5 sides, and this half side also. I shall meet you where I began here. We've come to the end of this SC round here. So now again, as usual, do the invisible slip stitch from behind and pick up the second color B into the loop. And this color we can pull out from the front. So chain 1. Now again place a single crochet on each of the stitches till you reach the corner. In the corner, in chain 1 space, place 3 single crochets. So I shall reach the corner and get back to you. So I shall reach this corner and get back to you. In the corner chain 1 space, make 3 single crochets under that chain 1 space. So when you do place the 3 single crochets, this single crochet might hide, so you should be careful enough to pick up this, because these 2 are in the corner. And now it will be easy. So place 1 single crochet till the corner, make 3 single crochets and chain 1 space, continue all around. I shall meet you where I began here. I have come to the end of this single crochet round, the second single crochet round with color B. Now I am going to pull the loop from behind the first stitch here, and then here I am going to do the slip stitch round. So I am not going to pick up the yarn from the first loop, but from the second I am going to insert. If this hook is little too bigger for this particular loop, I am going to take my smaller hook, insert, and I am going to pick up the first color, pull up the loop, hold it and tighten this. That's it. Okay, now you can work with the hook you were working already. So make a chain. This chain does not count, it's just a lock over here, so don't bother about this chain. Insert the hook into that same loop, slip stitch. So this is going to be a slip stitch round in each of the single crochets, so that's going to give a beautiful finish. Meanwhile, you can fasten off color B. It's no more required. I can hide this later. So place 1 slip stitch on each of the single crochets that you made in the last round. I shall also make the slip stitches and get back to you. I have placed all the slip stitches in the back loops, and I completed and finished it off with invisible join, and I have tucked in my yarn too, and this is how this nautical wheel hexagon looks like. So this nautical wheel can be converted into, that is, this nautical wheel can be converted into a square, a pentagon or a hexagon. It all depends on the number of trebles that you take in the center. So if you take 12, you convert it into a square. If you take 15, you convert it into a pentagon, and so on, and you can make any shape that you like. And this will require a little of blocking because of these stitches here, the groups. So little blocking will be required, and this looks this looks like this without blocking. Even without blocking it sets in, but with blocking it will look more beautiful. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked this nautical wheel hexagon. It comes under the convertibles. The convertibles are the crochet techniques wherein you take one particular shape in the center and then convert it into another shape. So hence it is called as convertibles. Okay, so please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Okay, please do like and share our videos too, so that it reaches the maximum number of people around the world. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.